to Social Guidance. In this video I will show you how to post carousel post on LinkedIn. So for this I am here on Canva and I created this post here. So now first of all, if you are creating your carousel post with Canva, so you need to download it with PDF. So I will click on download here, and from here I will choose PDF. It should be PDF standard, and then click on download. So the file will be downloaded in PDF form. So once it is downloaded, so let's go to our LinkedIn page, and here we have start a post. So simply click on it. Now here we have this plus icon, click on it, and from here choose document. As you click on document, now go to choose file, and from here we have this post which is in PDF form. So here you can add description if you want. So I will just type building brand trust. Okay, now simply click on done and again click on post. If you want to schedule it, you can click on here and schedule it for later. I will click on post and it will start posting here, and now as you can see it has posted. So if someone click on this arrow, so it will slide. In this way you can post carousels on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, and if you still have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.